right, so I'm going over 7.6.137 that we did. I asked you to do yesterday. If you're here, you get the points for it. If you weren't here, you better watch the video so you can do it. All right. This is not
137 is the homework.
I'm trying to find my answer key though. Thought I was good.
Is this what? Medical terms on the test? We have 2 sets of medical terms.
Maybe you should check all this is all the medical terms are so stupid. It's just like a bunch of the tests, a bunch of the files can be medical terms so stupid.
Because why would the final be over the entire year?
No, it is.
Yeah, she told us
Where
this
is?
This is semester. That's what she told
Where's
us.
my answer key?
You might maybe this final will be what's so fast.
Is she giving us a Yeah, next week. Wait, it's next week. Is it next week or is it? It better not be next week. She doesn't even mention it.
All right. Ready, Freddie, Betty, and Eddie?
Wait, don't we have a quiz tomorrow?
Oh, no, it's like next week sometime.
Oh, that's
All right. So you have 3 different restaurants, and we'll call restaurants A, B, and C. And we have age demographics. Okay. So what did you find as the expected value on this one? Okay, why is this not working? There we go. So this is on page 137 if you're keeping tabs. So expected value from the 0 to 18 range. So remind me, how do we find the expected value?
Column, row, total times
Row total versus column total.
by total.
Total.
You're so smart, Aaron. Thank you.
All right. Glad someone learned something. All right, so we have 0 to 18. So 150 times 102 divided by 468. So that should be, I think, about 32.7 about.
Yes.
So explain the meaning of this. So if the restaurant have the same age demographics, we expect 32.69% of 0 to 18-year-olds to be at restaurant A. Okay, which obviously they have 30. So how do we find the chi-squared of this then?
Observed minus expected squared.
Observed minus expected squared over expected. All right, so observed 0 to 18-year-olds at restaurant A, right? So 30 times, oops. Boy, I wish I was a little brighter right now. Over 32.7. So this comes out to our chi-squared being about 0.22. Okay. All right. So state the null and the alternative.
Looks like you're teaching.
Kind of sort
I
of.
have the only student who hasn't done the capstone. If
Okay.
you get a break later, come on and get him.
What period you off?
4.
Me too.
Okay.
But I will be in room 305. So up these stairs, down that hall. So come see me in 305. And I'm happy to give you the capstone. Is it for logs?
Yeah.
That's covered. All right, so number 3 says we want this based on the chi-squared, so 3 restaurants have equal distribution. The alternative is 3 restaurants don't have age distribution, and that was for age. And problem number 4, then it changes. State the null and alternative based on the chi-square independence. So H naught, the restaurant are independent. H alternative, restaurants are dependent. Seem good so far? Ooh, then we get to the degrees of freedom. We had to change this a little bit. How was the degrees of freedom? What do we do?
The number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns.
So rows minus 1 times columns minus 1. So rows, there are 3 different restaurants. So 3 minus 1. Columns are, or wait, rows would have been 4 minus 1, which is 3. Columns would be 3 minus 1. So I get whopping 6 degrees of freedom. Yay! And if you wanted to have a p-value that you're looking at being, if the resulting p-value is 0.194, and they're saying, hey, we're testing against alpha, which we're going to say is p, is greater than 0.05, and if they came up with this, what do we say? Is this bigger or smaller than 0.05? Smaller. So we reject the null. Cool? All right, so that's number 6. Yay, that's first page. Second page, much bigger. Second page is, does blood type vary by gender? Is that it? All right, all right. Hold your horses. Blood type, gender. So we have male, female, blood type AB, and O. You have males, females. We're not identifying any other genders because we're not doing that. I don't know why. All right, so the alternative or the null is blood does not vary with gender. Alternative, blood type does. Whoa, blood type does vary with gender. Oh my gosh, my writing's getting worse and worse. All right, and then we fill out our information. So we have observed, expected, chi-squared. And so I'll just fill it out and you have the information. So I have 10, 15, 167, or 1.67 for type A. You have 20, 15, and 1.67 for female. Type B, 30, 275.23, 25, 27.5, or no, that's 275, sorry. There's no decimal there. Make part of the 5. 0.23. AB, we have 25, 25, and 0. And female, 25, 25, 0. And type O, we have 15, 125, or 12.5, and 0.5, and 10. So if we do our chi-squared CDF, we get 4.8, big number, so go 1,000. 3 degrees of freedom is that. So we find we have a p-value, bless you, 0.187. And we're looking at a normal p-value of this. So 0.187 is bigger, so we fail to reject the null. And that's all I got. So, my friends, tomorrow I anticipate for the next couple days, let's see, 7:4 to 7:6, we will have you work on the review in class. So that's Friday. Monday, we will go over the review, so make sure you have that all typed. If you're not here Monday, make sure you watch the video, fill out their diagram. Tuesday, we will quiz 7:4 to 7:6. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we will have a big review, chapter 7. And then Friday, we will have a test on chapter 7.
Easy test with multiple
Do the
choice.
best I can. I do, yeah, we'll do. And then after that, we have, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What goes on the following week? When's your guys' checkout?
Next week is our checkout is the 13th. Our last day is the 12th. So we'll have 4 days left in class after.
All right,
next Friday.
All right, hang on. So is this 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5?
Tuesday's the 3rd.
Tuesday's the 3rd?
Yeah, because Sunday is the 1st.
5-7, 5-8, 5-9, 5-10, 5-11. Am I right?
Yep.
5-12, 5-13. When's your guys' checkout?
13th.
She just told us about it.
13.
Wait, what comes after
Like she marked it on it. We didn't.
Okay.
They should send you an email.
Chapter 8 stuff,
Oh,
but no quiz.
Let's go.
No quiz at that. So basically, you have this assessment and this assessment left. And then there's only about 77 of you that have this to make up. So now here is my concern, or here's my thought. Your grade right now is what it is. If you're satisfied with your grade, yes, you do still have to take those last 2 quizzes, but you know, if you have like a 74% and you still owe me a test or quiz, will that test or quiz from long ago really improve you up to the beat? I don't know. So I just I'm trying to avoid the parent email Friday morning on 5:13 saying, what can Jimmy do to bring up the grade? And I go through and say, well, Jimmy owes me 4 quizzes or tests. So that's what my concern is. But I think we should be able to handle it.
Well, Scott's becoming the biggest coward I know. Because earlier this week he was just like, I'm going to pull up every class. It's like, I'm going to show up every day. I'm like, you won't even be here.
Has he been in class once
What's
this
the
week?
fucking day?
Monday.
Wow, good job, Scott. You stuck with it for one day.